It's a new 2019 Honda CR-V. Check out this CR-V's fuel efficiency numbers, safety measures, and cargo capacity, and you'll be glad to drive it for the long haul. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, digital instrument gauges, front heated bucket seats, power heated mirrors, external memory control, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, doors and push-button start proximity key, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Every Honda is designed with the driver in mind. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.